Hey guys, this is Josh with Pioneer. Say, I know we've mentioned it before, but we're going to talk about the light weld again. So I've already got this pre-tacked in front of me, and what we're planning on doing today is to show you how quick this thing can actually move. We're going to do it in real time because we want to show you how quick the sucker actually is. All right, so let's get started. It's insane how smooth these welds actually come out. If you're somebody with a ton of experience already with welding, it's going to make the job very easy to do. As you can see, it wobbles on its own, so you're not going to have to worry on just technique itself. Not to mention, this looks cool as hell. This is really the technology of the future. Whether you like it or not, we have no choice but to move forward. And here at Pioneer, we want to make sure that your company is solidified for the future. That way your company can take every opportunity to grow, so you can have the best profit margin. Give us a call, shoot us an email, let us talk to you a little bit more about this. That way we can make sure your business is future-proof.